Alright, so how to download the code, the source code? Well, it is available at the top right side of your screen or below the video, depending on the platform that you're using right now. So you just have to download the zip folder to unzip it and open it. I'm going to use VS Code because I think it's the more convenient IDE with Emmet, but you can use whatever IDE you want to use. Well, it has to support Emmet. Okay, so be careful with that. You must be able to install Emmet with that IDE if you want to use something else than VS Code. Because in VS Code, it's installed by default. You can just create an index.html right there and start to use those shortcuts. For example, div.container, enter or tab, and it will create a div container right there. Okay, great. So maybe just be sure to toggle one thing. So you need to go to File, Preferences, Settings, and there you will write Emmet tab, and be sure to check this one, Trigger Expansion on tab, to be able to trigger your shortcuts when you will press the tab key. All right, so that's about it. So I will just delete this one and explain the different folders. So you do have the starter files. So this is a big folder with some chapters, and in each chapters you do have some lessons. So for example, basic abbreviation right there. So those are the heart of Emmet. For example, create an element, create a doc type, using the different classes and everything. So, well, it's very useful and kind of easy to learn. So you're going to code along with me. And well, yes, you're going to code along with me on each lesson. There are also some actions. So this is not very well known by a lot of people, but you can also, well, manipulate your code with different actions, and it's very, very useful too. Yeah, wrap with abbreviation is amazing. Balance also is amazing, etc., etc. Then I will show you how to use it with CSS, because we can also use it with CSS. And finally, with JavaScript. Okay, we're going to see how to use it with JavaScript and with the different framework, the different JavaScript framework. All right, so you can also find the source code folder right there. I don't know if it's very useful, but well, it is all the lessons with everything filled out. So if you have a question maybe, or you're not sure about something, you can just look at the source code right there if you want to. Okay, but you can also indeed ask a question, well, in the description of the video, or depending on the platform, there are some features to ask me a question about whatever you want. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're going to start with the first lessons in the first chapter, abbreviations and tips. Sounds great. So see you there, see you in the next video.